School District, and we are speaking live this morning with Good Morning Providence reporter Laralyn Jackson in Providence with the latest details on the council's final meeting of the year. Good morning, Laralyn.
Good morning, Cara. Providence City councilors are saying this passage is preventing essential services such as bus passes and after-school care. 3 ordinances reallocated money from the American Rescue Plan Act, which needs to be utilized ahead of December 31st. According to Josh Estrella, spokesperson for Providence Mayor Brett Smiley, Providence City officials began payments of the $15 million settlement last week. The rest of the settlement will be paid off in monthly installments over the next 7 months. While there are no cuts being made at this time, Providence remains in a hiring and non-essential spending freeze until June. Estrella also breaking down where this money is coming from. $1 million coming from the pilot agreement between the city and Lifespan. $4 million reallocating general revenue. $2 million from non-essential spending such as reduction in hiring and less overtime. Money is also coming from legal accrual and energy credits. Thursday marked the last day for this year's Providence City Council meetings. However, next year in 2025, they will be meeting again on January 4th. Reporting live in Providence, I'm Laralyn Jackson with ABC 6 News.
Thank you, Laralyn. 6:37. We've got